Okay, well I'm on the Turfco stand and I'm with John Moore here, and this is the first time you guys have been exhibiting at Harrogate. What was the thinking behind making the trip to come to show here?
Well, we wanted to be, as an independent brand on the stand. The Turfco brand has been around since 1919. It's a family company run by two brothers, George and Scott Kincaid. They also loved coming across the show. So the moment
Scott was a very regular and well-known face over here.
Yeah, Scott was. He loves the BTME. And he's just gutted that he can't be over. It's a bit more difficult, as we all know at the moment, to travel. So he's not happy he's not here, I can say.
And what are the ambitions for Turfco going forward? You say you're an independent company now.
Yeah.
What are you hoping to achieve in the UK market?
Well, in the UK market now, we're working together with one of the John Deere dealers, Farrell's. The idea is to expand ourselves as an independent brand, and to look at the golf course from a slightly different perspective as when we were tied up with a major manufacturer.
I know it's the biggest seller in the States, is that correct? So
Yeah, we're the number one top dresser in the US, and in fact we invented the first top dresser, I think it's back in the 1930s. There is some wonderful pictures of people with wooden top dressers walking across the green on our webpage.
And what would the USP be for a Turfco top dresser? What is it you can do that will attract the customer's attention that perhaps isn't seen in other machines?
We can actually angle our spinners. The spinners on the back of the top dresser can be angled so that the customer can fire his top dressing directly into the sand, as well as spread it to the maximum width. We've got a very unique spread pattern. Our spread pattern always stays behind the spreader. So we get basically what we call the Turfco line. It's a straight line from line to line, and that line allows the person to actually have an even spread across his complete green. Basically what we can do then is to cut the number of passes that you go across your green. So you can do what we call edge-to-edge spreading rather than maybe wheel-to-edge. It's a slightly different way of looking at it. In the US especially, where sand prices are going up, if you to get good quality sand, you're paying a good dollar over there now. So we looked at ways to make the actual superintendent and the greenkeepers a lot more productive.
And you also do blowers as well?
We do blowers, yeah. We've got the Torrent 2, which is our premium brand blower. It's got a unique feature in that it's got a magnet system which allows you to set the angle that your blower is blowing at. We actually went to our engineers and we put a little indicator bar at the back to show the angle it was, and one of our engineers said, well, so what is the optimum angle then? So we took a lot of investigation and we started showing that when you have it at the correct angle, you can honestly save up to nearly 50% of your blowing. So you're not blowing in the air, as Scott, my owner, says, we're not blowing also birds out the trees. Yeah, it's actually doing the optimum angle to either move cores or to move sand or to move debris or to move leaves. You can set that on your bar on the Torrent 2.
Well, we're delighted to see you here at Harrogate. I just want to warn you, normally the weather's not like this. Normally we're in January.
Yeah, I actually live in Germany, and normally coming to the UK I pack something to keep me dry, and so the weather is fantastic. Yeah, it's great.
It's not always like this, I must warn you.
Okay.
John, nice to see you. Thanks very much for the chat, and good luck for the rest of the show.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Good
Okay.
luck. Cheers.